Hey everyone! Quick heads up. NordVPN just dropped their Black Friday 2025 deal, and yeah, this one's kind of insane. Right now, you can grab NordVPN for just $2.99 a month on the basic plan, or the Plus plan for only $3.79 a month. That's 74% off, plus extra months free. Normally it's about $393, but this Black Friday you pay only $102.33 for 2 years. Just click the link below or scan the QR code. The discount auto applies. You can protect up to 10 devices with one account. You get 8,400 plus VPN servers covering 167 plus countries and block phishing, scams, and malware, and enjoy smooth streaming, gaming, and browsing anywhere. It's completely risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So don't wait. This Black Friday deal won't last long. Click the link or scan the QR code to get NordVPN. 74% off plus extra months free.